Hey you guys, good morning, how are you doing? I am back with another vloggy vlog, a day in my life vlog. I think, well, I'm not going to be doing anything today, but it's going to be just a vlog, probably added to my other vlogs that I've done for Vlogtober. So, yeah, so thank you for joining me. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, subscribe, please. Press on that button and also ring the bell so you won't miss another video, and also like and comment and all that good stuff. Share me on your social medias, and yeah, so I appreciate it. And I'll put my Instagram in the link in the description box below, so check that out. LATRICE 79 is my Instagram, so check that out. And I also have Twitter, but my link will be in the description box, so share it with your friends, and thank you for joining me. And right now I'm going to begin my workouts, and then make a little avocado toast and a smoothie. So, and I'm not really doing much today, but thank you for being here, and I love you guys. Hey guys, now I'm starting my workout with my kettlebell, 7 pounds. I'm gonna get more because I feel like I can lift heavier, so I want to get more kettlebells. um yeah, so, and I gotta get more weights also. But this is the kettlebell that I use. And yeah, so I'm gonna continue my workout. And so see you guys later. Hey you guys, now I'm going to make avocado toast. I finished my workout, so now I'm gonna do make me something to eat. I'm hungry. And yeah, I'm gonna open this up, cut it up, put a little lime juice on it. Well, the lime juice from the lime, squeeze it on there, little black pepper, onion powder, and yeah, so it's yummy. If you haven't tried it, you must try it. It's so good and it's healthy. This is my avocado chopped up. I take the time out to chop up my avocados, and I'm gonna put a little black pepper, onion powder, and some of this lime, squeeze it on there, and then smear it on my toast. And I'm going to put a little Tabasco sauce also. A little bit. Okay, this is my avocado toast, you guys. And now I'm about to sprinkle a little Tabasco on it. And yeah, I like my toast all the way toast. Like, not burnt, but just, I like it crunchy. That's the way I feel avocado toast should be. That's how they serve it in the restaurant sometimes. The toast is toast. It's crispy. So I like it like this. And it's black pepper, onion powder, and Tabasco sauce if you don't like that. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product with a little Tabasco sauce on it, and it is so yummy and spicy. I love it. Try it. Hey, you guys, I just wanted to show you guys. This is going to be my dinner for tonight. I seasoned some shrimp, medium shrimp for later. So I seasoned it now, and I'm going to let it marinate until tonight. This is my dinner. And this is black pepper, um, onion powder, garlic powder, and turmeric powder. You don't eat turmeric, you need to start. Very healthy. You can even drink turmeric, so it's very good for your body. So get up on it if you don't know about it. But yeah, so this is my dinner, and just wanted to show you guys. And I am drinking Health Aid kombucha, like always, ginger and lemon flavor right now. My favorite is the Pink Lady, but today I'm drinking the ginger and lemon, and I got the big joint. See how big that bottle is? Hey guys, now I am having some tea from the Garcinia Cambodia. I love this tea so much, and it cleans you out. It helps with eating habits and everything, and there's no GMO. It is perfect. My nose is a little stuffy, so that's why I sound like this. So I'm drinking some tea to make myself feel a little better, and I'm also going to put some honey in it. And I love this honey. It's so good.
But yeah, I drink tea often anyway. Even when I'm not feeling under the weather, when I'm feeling okay, I still drink tea. Here go my tea. This is how it looks. This is the berry flavor. It's so good. And now for dinner, I am going to make this shrimp that I seasoned earlier today that I told you guys. So I'm gonna saute it with vegetables and a little vegetable oil. I mean vegetable spread. I don't use butter. I use vegetable spread. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is so yummy. All the flavors together. And I'm also frying 4 vegetable dumplings. It's so good. It has kale in it. It's so good. You gotta try. And it's the finished product. Yummy, my dinner. I'm so happy. I can't wait to eat it. It looks so good. Yummy, yummy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys.